Hey guys, so I've decided to make another video on one of these picture frames, and we're just gonna do all glitter and mirrored as well. So the things that you need: some diamond, silver diamond, a stick, that's just to put the glue on the items, some hexagon pieces, and they are mirrored, and I've just purchased them from eBay. And I've purchased 3-pack, and I've paid $2.99 for each pack, and this is how it is. And obviously it's mirrored, so you're going to take the top piece off, and there you have it. So I've got 3 packs of that, and some sequences and some glue. And this picture frame is card, and I've just got it from an old photo frame that I've bought, and this came with it. So let's get started. So I've got my hexagon pieces, and it comes with this little sticky backpack. So we're just going to go ahead and put it around the photo frame like how we're happy with it. And then we're just going to stick it together. So either I'm going to do them all straight like that. I could do that, or I could just do silly random ones and then put sequences all around. But yeah, I'm going to do these silly random ones.
Something wrong, mommy crying, daddy gone. Wasn't me, nosebleeds, empty fridge, no groceries, teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you and me with me someday, I think the first thing you would say is something like, I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that it cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again, again. 99, flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. The pistol's on me, but it's not mine, I say. Just like it's all far, but not in play. But I see it much clearer now. I see it much clearer now. So much clearer now. I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to push it all away, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again, yeah. I would do it all again and again. 85, something wrong, mommy crying, daddy gone. Wasn't me, nosebleeds, empty fridge, no groceries, teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you and me would meet someday, I think the first thing you would say is something like, I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that it cannot change.